I'm going to show you how to create an assignment on Google Classroom. First, you're going to select Classwork. Then you're going to select Create. Then you're going to select Assignment. Then you're going to select Add, Google Drive, and you're going to pick the resource from your drive and select Add. I'm also going to add a link. I'm going to copy and paste that link from the internet and select Add Link. Next, I'll add a title, instructions, and all the links that I've provided should show on the bottom. I can also add points or leave it ungraded. I can select a due date. I can also sort my assignments based on topic. I'm going to put this under reading. And once I have all the components, title, instructions, links to assignment and outsources, points, due date, and the topic, I'm ready to assign. Once I click assign, it's going to show up in two places. On the stream, which is the first page, or under classwork under the subtopic you've created.